back to my channel. Here's a name. Hi, welcome back to my channel. But I am working on a top secret cross stitch project for my friend Sandra West. And here I am going to talk about it. It's in progress. And I'm not going to release this video till I actually send her the cross stitch. So who knows when that will be. But today is August 15th. It's a Sunday. And I wanted to come on here to update you on the progress of it. By the time you're watching this, it's already in Sandra's hands. So if you're new here, I'd love it if you subscribed. All you have to do is click the button. I think it's over here, or is it over here? Click the subscribe button, whatever side of the screen that it's on, and you can get notified by clicking the bell. So you'll get notified when I upload new videos. My channel primarily is diamond painting, and every now and then I throw in a cross stitch or another craft type of video. So if you are into like all crafts, I'd love to have you as part of my channel. So I'm working on this kit that I got from my local needle shop, Craft Connections. This is the little cover for it. So it's just a little cat and it says meow. It came with everything that you need. Contains thread, 14 count white Aida, 6-inch hoop for finishing, needle, and instructions. So I'm not using the 6-inch hoop. I'm going to put it in the 6-inch hoop after when I'm done it. I actually ended up buying a 6-inch plastic hoop, and that is what I'm using. So this is how far I've gotten so far. And today, do you want to know? Okay. Also, this is like the first cross stitch that I've tackled in years. And as you can see, it's not really centered. I'm going to cut it and put it in the wooden hoop after it's done. But so I screwed up today. I was on a roll. I've been on a roll this whole weekend, and I just finished like this part in his ear. And I realized that I used the wrong gray. I used light gray when it called for gray. So now I have to, which I've learned is called frogging, but it's literally like, it's just seam ripping out the stitches. I believe that's what they call frogging in the cross stitch community, but I'm like, literally, I'm just ripping up the stitches. I know that each community, because I come from the diamond painting community, I know there's terms for everything, and I'm still learning the terms, guys. I'm still learning the Flosstube terms, so, or the cross stitch terms. So I need to rip up the stitches, and I'm not going to do that today or tomorrow or the next day. I'm going to leave that till the very end. But it's coming along very nicely, and I'm glad that you can't see through this fabric on the screen, because literally, you want to see the back. You want to see the back, right? Don't, if you are a professional cross stitcher, if you are like a pro, do not judge the back of this. And I hope Sandra, when she gets this, I'm going to include a note that says, do not look at the back. Warning, don't look at the back. Look at the back. Y'all, do you see that? When I was younger, I was very clean with the backings. I was very clean with my back. I was very clean with the backing, with the back. So like you would see like none of this random like stitches over, like just, it wouldn't look like this. But now that I'm older, I feel like I don't give a poo. Honestly, I don't care. So it's fine. I'm fine with this. I'm personally fine with this, but since this is a gift for Sandra West, I'm not okay that much with it, because she's going to get it and be like, and she used to cross stitch all the time. So she's going to get it and be like, oh, Beverly, you made me this. And I looked at the back and it's disgusting. No, Sandra's too nice. She wouldn't say that. But yeah. And I'm also using Sandra sent me this needle minder, also cover minder for diamond painters. She sent me this. So I'm using this for the needle, which is not on it right now. It is on thread. So I bought this hoop from Craft Connections as well. And this was the original This was the original hoop that came with the kit. I'm not using that. I'm going to put it in that when I send it to her. I thought about framing it, but I'm like, framing it though would hide the back from Sandra. And what are the chances that Sandra will actually go through and look at the, like, open up the frame? I don't know. Sandra, I don't know. This is the thread that it came with, or the floss. I'm learning. The floss that it came with, it comes on a little card like this. I just left it on the card. I really like, my thing is, because, okay, so you can buy like wooden floss organizers, but then where do you put the label for the DMC number? Because in diamond painting, we kit up and we put our drills, our beads in plastic containers. And then we put a label on the container that says either the number of the color that corresponds, or the symbol that corresponds to on the canvas, or the DMC number. So if you buy wooden floss organizers like this, where do you put the DMC number? Do you just add a label? I'm going to have to look up kitting up videos on Flosstube or cross stitch, like how people prepare their cross stitch, because I don't know this. I don't know. So this is I'm not going to show the pattern, obviously, but the pattern came on like this giant sheet, right? So all I did was I took a photocopy of it. I'm showing you the back of the photocopy because I don't want to show you the pattern. But really quickly, I have been highlighting the pattern itself because I don't want to highlight. For some reason in my head, I'm like, maybe I'll do this cat again. So I don't want to highlight the actual pattern itself, right? So there's that. I probably will never make this cat ever again because it is a gift for Sandra West, and I don't want to replicate the same thing for someone else. Or like maybe I'll make it for myself, which is very, very doubtful. I probably will never do that. So I don't know why I felt the need to photocopy it. And there's a spoon. Clayton was eating pudding, but I don't know why I felt the need to photocopy it in order to highlight it. Like I could just technically just highlight directly on the pattern that came with the kit itself. But that is my issue. I have so many issues. That's all I really have to show you guys for today, though. I'm going to come back and I'll clip this video together once I'm closer to being finished. But that is all that I have to share with you guys today. So I'll be back at a future date. And for you, it'll feel like 5 seconds. So again, this is what I'm doing for Sandra. And this is how far I've gotten. It's getting there. It's getting there. Please be proud of me. Be proud of me. Okay, I'll be back. Bye. Oh, geez. Oh, geez. Hey, I'm back. Today is August 22nd, and I'm finally finished Sandra's cross stitch. So let's take a look. I just showed this to you, but it's been like a week since I last recorded. But here is the finish that they suggested. And here's the finish that I did. So this is going to be going off into the mail this week for Sandra. As you can tell, I didn't do it exactly like the pattern called for because I took some artistic liberties. I don't know. Literally, I was like sick of the cat. I was like, I just want to be done this because I felt bad because Sandra ordered from my Etsy shop and I wanted to send her the cat and her Etsy order at the same time. So I'm like, okay, I'm not going to spend a lot of more time on this because I want to get it out to Sandra. And I didn't really like the meow. The meow's cute and all, like the word meow, but I decided to focus more on the cat itself. And I think the button, literally I was going to cross stitch a heart, but I think the button makes it a lot cuter and like more 3D. So Sandra, you've already received this, but I wanted to share it with my YouTube friends. I hope that you do like it, Sandra. I really do. And by the time you're watching this, you've already received it. And I'm sure you've told me if you liked it or not. But look at the back, everyone. The back is a mess. Sandra, do not look at the back of the cross stitch. Do not look, even though I just showed it. I was gonna frame it and stuff, but I think it looks so cute in this little frame, in this wooden hoop. So I'm gonna send it to her like this. And I don't know, I'm very proud of it. It was my first cross stitch my first cross stitch project when I got back into cross stitch. So I'm very proud of it. And the whole time I thought of Sandra. So this really means like I poured my little heart into it. So it does mean a lot to me. So that is the Chronicles of the Cat cross stitch completed. We can now close that chapter in my life, that book. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyways, if you like cross stitch and you don't mind some diamond painting videos, I'd love it if you join my hive. All you have to do is click the subscribe button. I think it's over here or it's over there. Just click it a little bit. Don't have to smash it or anything like that, but click the subscribe button and click the bell button and you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching the Chronicles of the Cat Stitch, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.